Here's a classic and universally loved dessert recipe for chocolate brownies. These rich, fudgy brownies are sure to satisfy everyone's sweet tooth. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter. 2 cups granulated sugar. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, optional, for extra chocolatey goodness. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 13 inch, 23 by 33 centimeters, baking pan and line it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang on the sides for easy brownie removal. 2. Melt the butter. In a microwave-safe bowl or using a saucepan on low heat, melt the butter. Allow it to cool slightly. 3. Mix the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the melted butter and granulated sugar. Stir until well combined. Add the eggs and vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix until smooth. 4. Combine the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. If you want, fold in the semi-sweet chocolate chips for an extra chocolatey kick. 6. Bake the brownies. Pour the brownie batter into the prepared baking pan, spreading it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 25-30 minutes, or until a toothpick or cake tester inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. The exact baking time may vary, so keep an eye on them, as overbaking can make brownies dry. 7. Cool and serve. Allow the brownies to cool in the pan for about 10-15 minutes, and then use the parchment paper overhang to lift them out of the pan. Place them on a wire rack to cool completely. 8. Cut and enjoy. Once the brownies are completely cool, cut them into squares or rectangles. Serve your delicious homemade chocolate brownies and watch everyone enjoy this classic dessert. These chocolate brownies are a crowd pleaser, perfect for any occasion, and can be served with a scoop of ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce for an extra indulgent treat.